Alright, so back to the same issue. Now you should be getting power off of these even without the key in. So if I test this, alright, we got power there. That one, we got power. That one, we got power. Now over here, this one marked CRK. We do not have any power off of this fuse here, which on the diagram is number 14 right there. That is the crank, I believe. So that is very interesting that that one does not have power, and it should when the key is either on or off. I can try to put the key in just to make sure. Still got the same issue. Key's in, it's on, still nothing. I already checked the fuse, it's not blown. So I believe that is an ignition switch issue, because my key has no ohm reading, which is not good.